My name is Bayan Sami Abdurrahman. I'm the representative of the Kurdistan Regional Government to the United States. I have a very important message for the Kurdish American community and all of our friends, the Friends of Kurdistan here in the United States. Last year, members of both parties of the US Congress introduced a resolution marking the 30th anniversary of Operation Provide Comfort. This operation saved countless lives in the Kurdistan region. It's important that you contact your member of Congress and ask them to co-sponsor this resolution. We need that to make sure that the resolution is addressed by the House Foreign Affairs Committee and by the Senate Foreign Relations Committee, and then hopefully voted on by the Congress. So what can you do? Well, please contact your member of Congress, ask them to support this. In the Senate, it's Senate Con Res 16. In the House, it's House Con Res 32. If you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, if you follow the KRG representation in the United States on Twitter or Facebook, you will be able to find the link. We also have a podcast, the Kurdistan in America podcast. The link is also there. Why is it important that you ask your member of Congress to support this resolution? The resolution commemorates a turning point in Kurdistan region's history. Throughout the 80s, there was genocide, massacre, disappearances, but the world just ignored that and ignored what was happening to the people of Kurdistan. In 1991, when Saddam tried to crush the Kurdish uprising against him, again he was attacking us. Nearly 2 million people fled for their lives. It was the United States, Britain, and France that launched Operation Provide Comfort and saved the lives of countless people. So this was a critical humanitarian mission. But also, it created the foundations for our relationship with the United States, the partnership that stood shoulder to shoulder when together we brought down the dictatorship of Saddam Hussein in 2003, when together we stood side by side and fought against ISIS in Iraq and in Syria. That partnership was forged 30 years ago, back in 1991, and that's why it's important to commemorate it. But also the partnership stands strong today. The White House itself and the DoD have described this as a strategic partnership. This resolution both commemorates the 30th anniversary of the operation and celebrates the strong partnership today. I ask you, as a Kurdish citizen, as a Kurd living in the United States, and as representative of the KRG, I ask you to contact your member of Congress to support this resolution, to see it through to the finish line. And if you need more information, please feel free to contact our mission. You can find us on the internet or on social media. Thank you.